Let's be honest. Most of us reach for the same three brushes every time we paint. But what if I told you there's one brush almost nobody talks about that can completely change the way you work? In this video, I'll show you how one underrated brush shape can unlock techniques you didn't know were possible. Trust me, once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever painted without it. Most artists stick to flats, rounds, or filberts, and they're great. But they also come with limitations. Rounded brushes can give you crisp, sweeping edges. Flats struggle with tight corners and curves. But what if you had one brush that could do both? That's where the wedge shape comes in. Wedge brushes aren't just about shape. They're about water control. The angled body lets you lay down bold washes with one side and make delicate lines with the tip. Traditional brushes were designed for traditional painting styles, but today's artists mix techniques. They layer gouache on top of watercolor, add line work, go from loose florals to geometric shapes. Wedge brushes adapt beautifully to that. They are soft enough for gouache, responsive enough for watercolor, and precise enough to replace multiple brushes in your setup. If you're wondering what brush I've been using throughout this video, it's the new Bloom by Craftamo. A 6-piece wedge brush set we developed specifically for watercolor and gouache artists who want more control and expression in every stroke. We didn't make this brush to be trendy. We made it to solve a problem. And honestly, it solved more than one. Check the link in the description if you want to explore them, but no pressure. Just promise me you'll try a wedge brush, because your future self will thank you. So now, I'm curious. Have you ever used a wedge brush before? If this video got you rethinking your brush game, give it a like, hit that subscribe button, and maybe share it with your favorite art buddy. Because sometimes, all it takes is the right brush to fall in love with painting again.